A very good morning to the honorable judges, teachers and dear friends. My name is Niveda Anandharajah from SJKT RAUB. I am 11 years old. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an honor to be given the chance to stand here in front of you, the audience. My task today is to show you how to make school fun. A school is a place where students learn a lot of subjects in a day, whereas fun means pleasantly entertaining or providing enjoyment. In other words, our topic today will show you the ways to make our presence at school an enjoyable one. First, boring classroom lessons should be replaced with other teaching strategies like experiential learning or discovery learning. Subjects that require observation like science should be given more time to the real observation. Students should not be spoon-fed with its theoretical aspect while its fun part. The real experience of observing facts in motion is missing. I mean, where have all the fun go? Certainly, planting and watching a tree grows a lot more engaging than reading facts about it in a book. Second, make school building and its compound a fun place for students and teachers. Provide activity rooms, student center and cafeteria instead of just a canteen. Build an environment that makes all feel calm and comfortable. Students will certainly love to come if their school looked like a resort or a theme park and not just dull blocks of building. Imagine spending recess between classes in a student center furnished with sofas, indoor games and computer booths. It's better than staying home. Third, reduce the number of students in a class. The ideal number of students should be around 15 to 20. This has long been the practice in prestigious schools overseas and schools in developed countries. Students get better attention from teachers. Whatever learning, theories in practice would be carried out successfully. Fourth, teachers would encourage to be creative and produce engaging lessons. Of course, it is easy for teachers to produce lessons full of facts and information, but to make students realize what they are doing it is another matter. Teachers who are the beacon of hope for students must give thought-provoking lessons that generate student desire to learn. A lesson that touches the heart would provoke students' inner self and instill in them craving for success. Fifth, abolish this examination and replace it with new set of assessment which put more priorities on attitude and co-curricular activities. It is a known fact that many who are not successful in government examination become successful in life later on, simply because they do what they love to do. And sitting for an examination is not one of it. So, my understanding here is less examination equal more fun. Ladies and gentlemen, sixth, reduce the number of subjects a student need to take up. This will reduce the weight of their bag. Dear parents and education officers, have you ever tried carrying your son's or daughter's bag all the way from your car to the classroom? I can tell you that is very heavy. I remembered an article in the newspaper stated that heavy school bag would strain student backbone and affect their health. Going to school is not much fun when you have carried a heavy bag all the way from your home. In conclusion, school can be lots more fun if these things I have mentioned earlier taken into consideration. Thank you for listening.